Ever wondered how your canine companion can sniff out a treat buried in the backyard or detect your arrival long before you reach the door? Well, you're about to get a nose full of knowledge. Dogs have an extraordinarily keen sense of smell, far superior to our own. Their world is painted in scents and aromas we can hardly imagine. It's like they're reading an intricate, invisible story written in the air. Imagine this: while we humans use our eyes to perceive the world around us, dogs use their noses. They can detect the faintest odors, uncover hidden treats, and even sense emotions through scent. It's a remarkable ability, isn't it? But how does this all work? What makes a dog's sense of smell so powerful? And how can we, as their human companions, help them make the most of this extraordinary skill? These are questions we'll explore in this video. Stay tuned to discover the fascinating science that makes your dog's nose one of the most impressive in the animal kingdom. To understand the power of a dog's nose, we first need to dive into its unique anatomy. A dog's nose is a marvel of nature, composed of various parts that all work together to give our furry friends their superior sense of smell. It all begins with the nostrils, or nares, which are designed to draw in air. Each nostril is controlled independently, allowing dogs to not only identify smells but also determine the direction from which they're coming. Inside the nose, the complex journey of scent detection continues. The air drawn in through the nostrils travels down the nasal passages, lined with a specialized tissue called the olfactory epithelium. This unique tissue is home to an astounding number of scent receptors. While humans have around 5 million of these receptors, dogs have a staggering 200 to 300 million depending on the breed. That's nearly 60 times the number we have. These scent receptors are connected to the olfactory bulb, a part of the dog's brain dedicated solely to analyzing smells. In dogs, this bulb is proportionally larger compared to humans, reflecting their superior ability to detect and distinguish scents. But the remarkable aspects of a dog's nose don't stop there. Dogs have a second olfactory system known as the vomeronasal organ, or Jacobson's organ. This is a pair of fluid-filled sacs, situated above the roof of the mouth, and connects to the dog's nasal cavity. This organ is specialized in detecting pheromones, the chemicals involved in communication between animals. All these components together make up the intricate and complex system that is a dog's nose. It's a system that's highly efficient, finely tuned, and far superior to our own in terms of detecting, identifying, and remembering scents. With such an intricate and sensitive structure, it's no wonder dogs have an extraordinary sense of smell. A dog's nose is not just about collecting scents, it's also about processing them. Their sense of smell is so powerful and unique, it's almost like they see the world through their noses. But how do they process these smells, and what role does the vomeronasal organ play in this? To understand this, we need to dive a little deeper into the canine brain. When a dog sniffs, the scent molecules are absorbed by the moist lining of their nose, which then dissolve and bind to olfactory receptors. These receptors send signals to the olfactory bulb, a part of the brain dedicated to processing smell. Now let's get this in perspective. Humans have about 6 million olfactory receptors. Impressive, right? Well, a dog has up to 300 million. That's right, 300 million. This means the part of their brain that analyzes smells is, proportionally speaking, 40 times greater than ours. But it doesn't stop there. Dogs have a second olfactory system known as the vomeronasal organ, or Jacobson's organ. This organ is designed to pick up pheromones, the chemicals unique to each animal species that convey social and reproductive information. Here's how it works. The vomeronasal organ has its own set of sensory cells, separate from the rest of the dog's olfactory system. When your furry friend sniffs another dog, a person, or even a spot on the ground, the pheromones from that scent are detected by the vomeronasal organ. This sends signals to a different part of the brain, one that processes emotional and social information, rather than identifying smells. This means that dogs don't just smell their environment, they read it. Every sniff provides them with a wealth of information about their surroundings and the creatures within it. So, not only do dogs smell more than us, they even smell in a way that's entirely different from us. It's one of the many things that makes our four-legged friends so fascinating, don't you think? From finding lost people to detecting diseases, dogs put their noses to work in incredible ways. This is especially true when we delve into the world of scent detection, a field in which our canine companions truly shine. Take search and rescue missions, for instance. Dogs are equipped with an uncanny ability to trace the scent of a missing person, even amidst the chaos of a disaster site. With their noses to the ground or air, they can pick up a scent trail that is several days old and follow it over vast distances. Their work has saved countless lives, locating people who would have otherwise been lost in the wilderness or caught in the rubble of a collapsed building. But the work of scent detection dogs doesn't stop at search and rescue. They also play a crucial role in law enforcement. Drug-sniffing dogs, trained to detect the specific scents of various illegal substances, assist police officers in their fight against drug trafficking. These dogs are so proficient that they can even detect drugs sealed in plastic bags submerged in gasoline, a common tactic used by smugglers to throw off a dog's scent. In recent years, dogs have taken up another remarkable role: disease detection. Medical researchers have discovered that diseases like cancer, diabetes, and even malaria give off unique odors that dogs can detect. These medical detection dogs are trained to sniff out these diseases, often before medical tests can. This early detection can be crucial in successfully treating these diseases, and it's not just physical ailments they can sniff out. Dogs are also being used to detect mental health issues. For example, some dogs are trained to detect changes in a person's scent associated with stress or anxiety, providing comfort and alerting the individual to their changing emotional state. The power of a dog's nose is truly remarkable, serving not just them but us humans in many life-saving ways. So, the next time you see a dog sniffing around, remember, they're not just exploring their world, they're showcasing a superpower that's helping to make ours a safer place. While a dog's sense of smell is naturally powerful, there are ways to keep it sharp and even enhance it. Now, you might be wondering, how can you stimulate your furry friend's olfactory prowess? Well, there are several ways to do it. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, games are a fantastic way to engage your dog's sense of smell. Hide and seek is a classic. You can hide treats around the house or yard and let your dog sniff them out. This game not only stimulates their sense of smell but also provides a fun and rewarding experience. Another game that works wonders is the shell game. Hide a treat under one of several cups and shuffle them around. Your dog will have to rely on their nose to find the reward. Training is another great way to enhance your dog's sense of smell. Targeted scent training can help your dog become more in tune with their nose. Start with a specific scent, like a favorite treat or toy, and gradually introduce new ones. Over time, your dog will learn to distinguish between different smells, which can be particularly useful for working dogs or those participating in scent-based dog sports. Environmental enrichment is a third method to stimulate your dog's nose. Regularly introducing new scents to your dog's environment can help keep their sense of smell sharp. You can do this by bringing new items into your home, taking your dog on walks in different areas, or even using dog-friendly scent diffusers. Just remember, the key is variety. It's also important to remember that your dog's sense of smell can be influenced by their overall health and well-being. Regular vet checkups, a balanced diet, and plenty of exercise all contribute to keeping your dog's sense of smell on point. So there you have it. A few simple, fun, and effective ways to keep your dog's nose busy and their mind stimulated. By incorporating these tips into your dog's routine, you can help them make the most of their extraordinary sense of smell. Remember, a stimulated nose is a happy nose. So, let's keep those canine noses happy and healthy, shall we? As we wrap up, it's clear that our furry friends are more than just pets. They are super sniffers with abilities beyond our comprehension. We've journeyed through the wondrous world of a dog's nose, exploring the intricate anatomy that allows them to sense and interpret smells in a way that leaves us humans in the dust. We've learned how they process these scents, turning every sniff into a story, a map, a treasure trove of information. We've delved into the world of scent detection, marveling at their ability to find lost people, detect diseases, and even sniff out danger. We've also discovered how we can enhance their already incredible sense of smell, turning daily walks into enriching sensory experiences. Our canine companions truly are amazing, their olfactory powers a testament to the wonders of nature. Next time you see your dog sniffing around, remember, they're experiencing the world in a way we can barely imagine.